Welcome back. I hope you all enjoyed your summer break. We are known here at Cajon Park as doing great things. Some examples are shown here. We are committed to providing a safe, welcoming environment for our students with participating in circles. We strive for 96.5 in order to encourage students to attend school. Our wonderful PTA is incredibly supportive of everything we do. We are Falcon proud with our PBIS program we have in place, and our use of technology is helping our students be prepared for our ever-changing world. Our RTI program is one of the strongest in the district because of our professional development we participate in. Lastly, we create lessons that are project-based and require critical thinking for our students. Last year, our focus was on the why and the importance of believing that every child can learn. We use love and logic with our students in order to create an environment with strong classroom culture. Relationships were built throughout the school between students and teachers, staff and parents, administration and teachers. Collective teacher efficacy refers to a staff's shared belief that through their collective action they can positively influence student outcomes, including those who are disengaged and/or disadvantaged. According to John Hattie, collective teacher efficacy has an effect size of 1.57. This is an opportunity of almost 4 years' growth. After analyzing last year's SBAC data, I found an equity gap that was concerning at our school. Our ELL students are performing well below our white students in mathematics. I would like to spend some time on looking at how to support our ELL students better in math. Understanding the needs for extra supports is important in order for us to make a change. Please watch this video and put yourself in these students' shoes. Imagine you are Moses. How would you feel? Remembering where our students come from is essential when we are planning our instructional strategies. How can we reach all students?
We're going to take notes from the story and we're going to turn it into a math problem and we're going to walk through it together, okay? So the boy ran 3 blocks. So everyone write 3 blocks. How long did it take him to run 3 blocks? Michelle? Very good. 6 minutes. Alright, so then we're going to take 3 blocks in 6 minutes, right?
Corre con los bloques. ¿Qué? Sí, porque el niño corre con los bloques.
No, so the question is going to go on to ask me, how long will it take him to run 20 blocks? What do we do? How many minutes is that per block?
8 minutes.
I remember to raise your hand. I know it's not 8 minutes. Michelle.
15 minutes?
No, not 18 minutes. Yes, Enrique?
40?
40, yeah, very good. How'd you get 40?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, 40 is the right answer. How did you get it?
I forgot.
You forgot. Okay. Does anyone know how we get 40? Yes, Moises. Yep, that's right. Very good. Great. Can you tell us how you got that? Yep, very good. But can you explain to the class what you did here, how you got that?
So why did I choose our ELL students in math instruction? If this video didn't show the urgency for change, here is the data from our SBAC results in 2018. 73% of our ELL students performed below standards, compared to 39% of our white students who performed below standards in mathematics claim concepts and procedures. That means only 17% of our ELL students were at or above standard, while 61% of white students were at or above standard. Why did this happen? was a big concern of mine when I was analyzing our data. We need to improve our scores. Change is necessary. Therefore, I have a challenge for you. I challenge you as a staff to work together in reaching a new goal for our ELL students in math. Can we improve our ELL students performing below standard to only be 60% from our 73%? I challenge you. How are we going to get there? We have used 5 dimensions of teaching and learning for leading us in past professional development in engagement and classroom environment and culture. We need to remember and continue all the hard work we have done, but we also need to continue our growth in student achievement. In order to do that, we will move into looking at our curriculum and pedagogy. Our ELL students need scaffolding and instructional strategies that will support their learning. It is also great that these improvements will also help all of our students to learn. In order to accomplish our goal, we will be trying some new strategies. First, we need to do some work with being a culturally responsive teacher. We will look at how we can reach all of our diverse student groups. A few of those strategies are feedback and productive group work. The power of feedback would help teachers support their students in learning mathematical concepts. Knowing your teacher's expectations in a timely manner has proven to show growth in student achievement. Productive group work will improve academic conversations and create individual accountability. We also need to continually monitor our students by using formative assessments to track progress. Then use this information to guide our next steps in instruction. Using these strategies will help us support our ELL students in learning. In order to put new pedagogy strategies in place, we need to create PLC teams that can build their capacity in resource-proven instructional strategies and analyze data for all ELL students. This will help close our equity gap between our ELL and white students. At Cajon Park, it is necessary to change in order to reach all of our students. Remember the work we have done on building relationships with our students and why we are teachers. To create positive impact on students, watch others grow and gain confidence, empowering every student, striving to inspire and encourage every student, and elevating all students. I challenge you to take steps towards making a change. One of our strengths here at Cajon Park is we work together towards one goal, that all students can learn. We are Falcon Proud. Thank you.